Have you ever pondered the intriguing idea that while you are fast asleep, your dreams could be shaping your future? What if there was a way to harness the power of your subconscious mind during sleep to unlock your true potential and manifest your deepest desires? Imagine a world where the boundaries between dreams and reality become blurred, giving way to endless possibilities. Welcome to the fascinating realm of deep sleep manifestation. Join us on this enlightening journey as we dive into the science behind deep sleep manifestation and explore practical techniques to help you manifest your desires effortlessly. Whether you're an ambitious go-getter or simply curious about the untapped potential of your subconscious mind, this video will provide you with valuable insights and tools to manifest your dreams and aspirations. So sit back, relax, and get ready to unlock the secrets of deep sleep manifestation. In today's video, we will discuss how your brain changes while sleeping, why deep sleep is important for manifestation, how to access the power of the subconscious mind while sleeping, how to manifest when you are falling asleep, and finally, we will look at the science behind deep sleep manifestation. So do watch the video till the end to find out more. Sleep is a natural process that happens every night, and it is necessary for the proper functioning of the body and the brain. During sleep, the brain goes through different stages, including rapid eye movement or REM sleep, which is when most dreaming occurs, and non-REM sleep, which includes the deep sleep stages. In deep sleep, the brain waves slow down and the body becomes paralyzed, except for the muscles that control breathing and eye movements. Now here's the interesting part. When you are in deep sleep, your subconscious mind becomes more active. This is because the conscious mind becomes less active and the rational, logical thinking slows down. This allows the subconscious mind to come to the surface and process emotions, experiences, and information that has been stored there. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires. It is responsible for your beliefs, values, habits, and behaviors. By planting intentions and affirmations into your subconscious mind while you are in deep sleep, you can align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. There are three primary ways to manifest while you are falling asleep: visualization, affirmations, and intention setting. Let's take a closer look at each one. First is visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires by creating a clear and vivid mental image of your desired outcome. When you visualize, you are essentially programming your subconscious mind to believe that your desired outcome has already happened. To practice visualization, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already having achieved your desired outcome. See yourself experiencing all the positive emotions associated with your desired outcome. Feel the sense of accomplishment, happiness, and gratitude. Visualize the details of your desired outcome, such as the people, places, and things involved. The more vivid and detailed your visualization is, the more real it will feel to your subconscious mind. As you visualize your desired outcome, say positive affirmations to reinforce your belief in the process. You can also use visualization to overcome limiting beliefs and negative thoughts. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them, but don't dwell on them. Instead, visualize yourself overcoming those obstacles and achieving your desired outcome. With consistent practice, visualization can help you manifest your desires and achieve your goals. Second is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to create a shift in your thinking and behavior. They are a simple yet effective way to program your subconscious mind to believe in your desired outcome. To use affirmations for manifestation, choose affirmations that are positive, present, tense, and in the first person. For example, I am grateful for the abundance of money that flows easily into my life. I am confident and capable of achieving my goals. I am surrounded by love and happiness in my relationships. Once you have chosen your affirmations, repeat them to yourself several times a day, especially during deep sleep. You can also write your affirmations down and read them before going to bed. As you repeat your affirmations, visualize yourself already having achieved your desired outcome. This will help you create a positive emotional state and reinforce your belief in the process. It is important to choose affirmations that resonate with you and align with your desired outcome. You can also create your own affirmations based on your specific goals and intentions. Consistency is key when using affirmations for manifestation. Repeat your affirmations daily, especially before sleep, to ingrain them into your subconscious mind. Over time, your affirmations should start to take root, and you may begin to see changes in your thinking and behavior. Third is intention setting. Setting intentions is another powerful way to manifest your desires. It involves consciously choosing what you want to focus on and what you want to bring into your life. To set intentions, start by identifying what you want to manifest. This could be anything from financial abundance to a healthy relationship. Once you have identified your desired outcome, set a clear and specific intention for yourself. For example, if you want to manifest financial abundance, you might set an intention to save a certain amount of money each month or to earn a specific amount in a year. Write down your intention and keep it somewhere you will see it every day. This will help you stay focused and reminded of what you are trying to manifest. You can also use intention setting in conjunction with other manifestation techniques like visualization and affirmations. By setting clear intentions, you are more likely to take actions that align with your desired outcome. you are also more likely to be open to receiving the blessings that come your way. It is important to be patient and persistent when setting intentions. It may take some time for your desired outcome to manifest, but with consistent effort, you will eventually reach your goal. So these were the 3 ways to manifest while you are falling asleep. Now let's look at the science behind deep sleep manifestation. Many people have reported experiencing the benefits of deep sleep manifestation in their lives. For example, some people claim that they have used deep sleep manifestation to improve their financial situation, attract new opportunities, and enhance their relationships. While there is limited scientific research specifically on deep sleep manifestation, there is evidence to support the use of visualization and affirmations in the manifestation process. One study published in the Journal of Graduate Medical Education found that visualization and mental imagery can help students retain knowledge and improve their performance on exams. Another study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that positive affirmations can help people build self-esteem and improve their mood. Anecdotal evidence suggests that many people have experienced the benefits of deep sleep manifestation. Some individuals have reported that they have used deep sleep manifestation to heal from physical ailments, overcome limiting beliefs, and achieve their goals. However, it is important to note that anecdotal evidence is not a substitute for scientific research, and more studies are needed to fully understand the efficacy of deep sleep manifestation. If you have tried deep sleep manifestation, we would love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Your stories may inspire others to give it a try and help them on their own manifestation journey. So do you hesitate to share your experiences and connect with like-minded individuals who are also interested in deep sleep manifestation. Also, if you want to learn more about the science behind manifestation, you can check out our video on the law of attraction. We discuss the latest findings in the field and how you can use them to manifest your desires. Simply click on the link provided to access the video. In conclusion, deep sleep manifestation is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams and aspirations. By understanding the science behind it and practicing visualization, affirmations, and intention setting, you can unlock the potential of your subconscious mind and manifest your desires with ease. So tonight, as you drift off to sleep, embrace the power of deep sleep manifestation and wake up to a better tomorrow. Do not forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends and family who may also benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and happy manifesting.